Welcome to video 5, all about the Swiss ball. The Swiss ball is a great way to get that core turning on. It provides an unstable surface for when we have to do our exercises. That activates your core naturally. Swiss balls range in size from a small 55cm ball to a big 75cm ball. Through most of these exercises, you should be using approximately a 65cm ball, depending on your body weight and height. Now, the most important thing, ensure the ball is properly pumped up. I don't want to see any dramatic Swiss ball accidents on the nightly news. Alright, let's get into exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, the Swiss ball rollout. Starting on your knees with your elbows on the front of the ball. The ball should be approximately under the shoulder level. From here, you're turning your core on, you're breathing in, and you're nice and slowly rolling the ball out in front of you. The most important part again is to bring those hips forward. Nice and slowly return to the starting position. Breathing out as you do. Try and repeat this 10 times. As you can see in this video, I'm not moving my hips forward. I'm just moving my arms, not getting any core activation or contraction through this exercise. Most important, bring those hips forward. Exercise number 2, the lean backs. Sitting on the very front of the ball, hands across your chest. Turn that core on, breathing in, and then slowly lean back. Lean to the point where you can comfortably return to the starting position. Breathing out on returning. Again, repeat this 10 times. I don't want you to push yourself too far and have to start using your momentum to bring you back up. It's not a sit-up, you're not trying to do this quickly, slightly different. Exercise number 3, the ball rolling. This is a nice fun one. Start on your hands with your feet on the edge of the ball, with your legs straight. The weight's going through your arms, with your arms approximately shoulder width apart. Turn your core on, breathe in. As you do that, bend your legs and roll the ball up to your bottom. Nice and slowly return to the starting position as you breathe out. Exercise number 4, the Swiss ball wall squat. Place a Swiss ball approximately in the small of your back up against a wall. You're leaning back against the ball and place your feet approximately just over shoulder width apart. Important to keep those feet in front of the knees. So place them approximately 6 inches or 15 centimeters in front of your knees. From here, you're turning your core on, you're breathing in, and then slowly lowering your body back down. The aim's to get 90 degrees so that your bottom is parallel with your ground. Breathe out as you return. Try and repeat this 10 times. Squats are amazing exercises and you can actually turn them into core exercises by just turning your core on. As you can see in this video, my knees are coming further forward over than my toes. Really important again to make those feet further forward than your knees. Otherwise you can start causing yourself some knee pain. And there are your 4 Swiss ball exercises. Swiss ball exercises should be a bit of fun. They're a bit different. You can do the same exercises on the mat as you do on a Swiss ball. The Swiss ball just adds that extra difficulty to it. It might be frustrating to start with, but continue to persist. I actually love using a Swiss ball as my chair at work. It's a little bit of fun, and it actually means I'm using all these muscles to control myself and stay nice and upright while I'm actually doing my work. Stay tuned for video 6, our last one using the TheraBand.